Jammu and Kashmir gears up for the second phase of its elections. A war of words has emerged between the BJP and the NC. National Conference Vice President Omar Abdullah is hit out at Home Minister Amit Shah for accusing the Abdullahs of being responsible for terrorism in Jammu and Kashmir, saying that he should decide whom to blame for it, them or Pakistan. His response comes after Amit Shah, during a rally in Jammu and Kashmir on Saturday, launched a scathing attack on three dynastic families of the Abdullahs, the Muftis and the Gandhis.
Amit Shah Sahab needs to come clean. Who is responsible for terrorism in Jammu and Kashmir? Because in the rest of the country, when the BJP talks, they blame Pakistan. But in Jammu and Kashmir, they blame National Conference and Congress. Out of the 40,000 that Amit Shah Sahab counted as militancy victims, as far as this allegation is concerned, if they truly believe that National Conference and Congress are responsible for terror in Jammu and Kashmir, why are they not talking to Pakistan?
Meanwhile, asserting that the crisis of credibility is the biggest challenge facing Indian politics, Defence Minister Rajnath Singh also lashed out at Omar Abdullah. He said that Abdullah should have sought an apology from people for changing his mind to contest the assembly elections from 2 seats in Jammu and Kashmir when he had decided not to fight the polls before the restoration of statehood to Jammu and Kashmir.
और मुझे तकलीफ हुई है आज जब मैं एयरपोर्ट से बाहर निकल रहा था। भले ही वह दूसरे पार्टी के नेता हैं, लेकिन मुझे तकलीफ हुई। मैंने कहा, हे भगवान, क्या हो गया है भारत की राजनीति को? एक नौजवान नेता हैं नेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस के, उमर अब्दुल्ला साहब, उनका चित्र लगा था और एक तरफ उनका कोट यह लगा था कि जब तक स्टेट हुड नहीं मिल जाएगा जम्मू कश्मीर को, तब तक मैं चुनाव नहीं लड़ूंगा। दूसरी तरफ लिखा था कि इस चुनाव में स्टेट हुड मिला नहीं और 2 विधानसभा क्षेत्र से वह चुनाव लड़ रहे हैं। उमर अब्दुल्ला साहब को तकलीफ इसकी न हो, लेकिन मुझे तकलीफ है। और मैं कहना चाहूंगा कि उन्हें इसका संज्ञान लेना चाहिए, या जो कुछ भी कहा है उन्होंने, उसके विपरीत यदि उन्होंने किया है तो कम से कम जनता से एक बार खेद तो व्यक्त कर दें कि नहीं, हमसे गलती हो गई, मैंने बोल दिया।
Crossing over to my colleague Yavar to bring us more details on this. Yavar, how significant are these statements considering that they're coming in during election season?
Well, exactly. If you talk about the potential of elections, the campaign is going to be over. But a war of words that could have changed between the Home Minister as well as the National Council. Yesterday, the Home Minister